Hello, students. Let's try to understand the excretory system of human being, student, that we are going to discuss today. Excretory system of human being. This is our the topic, student. So, how can you understand the excretory system in human being, dear students? There are some organs are there which involve in the excretion, student, which involve in the process of excretion. The first one is this is the kidney, student, and the second one, if you can see, this is the ureter. Third one is urinary bladder, and the fourth one is this is called urethra, student. So this is what the point which we have to understand one by one, student. So what is the meaning of excretory system, student? Excretion. So excretion is the process by which we remove the unwanted substance from the body, student. That is what is called excretion. Like, see, student, the human excretory system include a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. These are the four parts in the human excretory system. Now, see, student, kidney. We are talking about the kidney. Kidney are the bean-shaped structure, student. What the bean-shaped structure, student? Kidney is like this shape, student. Bean-shaped structure, and pair of kidneys are present in the human being, student. Pair of kidneys, they are the connected. Okay. So now they are saying kidney are the bean-shaped structure located on either side of the backbone. So if suppose this is the backbone actually, so either side of the backbone between the transverse process of T12 and L3. Okay, so between the T12 and L3 vertebrae, and are protected by the ribs. These kidneys are protected by what are the ribs, student? Ribs are nothing but they are the muscles, student. They are the muscles. This is properly protected by the ribs, right? Now, and muscle of the back. It is also protected by muscle of the back. Each human adult kidney has length of 10 to 12 centimeter, a width of 5 to 7 centimeter. So width is what? 5 to 7. If you see, student, this width one, this one. So what you are going to find this one, 5 to 7 centimeter. And if you are talking about length, student, length is 10 to 12 centimeter. This is there. Weight around 120 to 170 gram. Each kidney weight is how much? 120 to 170 gram. Depends on the person to person. It is going to vary, student. Now, the other point you see, student, it is the main excretory organ in human being. So if you talk about kidney, student, kidney is the main excretory organ in the human being. It is the main excretory organ in the human. The kidney filter the blood and excrete the waste along with the water in the form of urine. So what they are saying is, student, kidney is the main excretory organ. Along with the four more are there, like what is there? Kidney is there, ureter is there, urinary bladder is there, urethra is there. But kidney do the filtration, student. So it is the main excretory organ in human. The kidney filter the blood. What the kidney role is, student? It filter the blood and excrete the waste along with the water in the form of urine. So it is excreting the waste. What are the waste? It can be nitrogenous waste, student. So it is excreting. How it is excreting? Along with the water in the form of urine. So with the urine, it is getting excreted, student. Now see the other point, third point. The kidney have inner concave structure. What, student? Kidney have inner concave structure. It means whatever the kidney here diagram is there, nice student, inside there is the inner structure are there, and each unit of the structure inside is called, student, nephron. Okay, so let us see what they are saying. The kidney have the inner concave structure, right? The blood vessels, renal arteries, and renal vein. Ureter and nervous enter the kidney through the hilum, hilum, which is notch at the inner concave surface of the kidney. The blood vessels, ureter, and nerves enter the kidney through the hilum, which is notch at the inner concave surface of the kidney. Now, see student, the renal pelvis, a large funnel shaped space present inner to the hilum, has many projections known as calyces. This is known as what student? Calyces. So now what we are going to do, now we are going to for the ureter. We are going to understand ureter. A pair of thin muscular tubes, pair of thin muscular tube called the ureter comes out from each kidney, extending from the renal pelvis. Extending from the renal pelvis, it carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. It carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Now see the diagram. So here what you are going to find is one, they are the kidney, right? This is the kidney. This is the kidney. But here what is this is? This is the ureter, student. This is the ureter. This is the urinary bladder and this one is urethra. So this is the what this line, whatever the tubes you are seeing, this is what is called ureter, student. So let us see ureter once more time, student. But they are saying a pair of thin muscular tube called the ureter. So if you see the diagrammatically, suppose this is the kidney, student. Okay, bean shaped kidney. Okay, this is the connected here. Now from here what is happening, the pair of the tube is coming out and this pair of tube is connecting, that is the urinary bladder, and which is further extending to urethra. So here pair of thin muscular tubes called the ureters come out from each kidney, extending from the renal pelvis. It carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Now let us try to understand what do we mean by urinary bladder. It is, they are saying, it is muscular sac-like structure. Muscular sac-like structure, like this one. This is the structure, student. Muscular sac-like structure. Here the this one is coming what, student? Ureter is coming from the kidney. This is the urinary bladder. This is what urinary bladder. So they are saying it is muscular sac-like structure which store urine. It is storing urine. The urinary bladder is emptied by the process of micturition, that is act of urination. So it is storing the urine, student, and by the process of urination it can be the removed. Now the next one is urethra. This tube arises from the urinary bladder. This tube is arise from urinary bladder and help to expel the urine out from the body in males. It acts as a common route for the sperm and urine. Its opening is guarded by sphincter muscle, student. So this is all about the answer. So what the urethra is saying, student, this is the tube arise from the urinary bladder. It helps to expel urine out of the body. What it is doing, student, helping the urine to expel out of the body in males. It acts as a common route for the sperm and urine. So in the male it is the same, student, same for the sperm and urine, both are the same. Its opening is guarded by sphincter muscle. Its opening is guarded by sphincter muscle. So this is all about the excretory system in human being, student. Thank you very much for watching.